Take a quiet moment and think about your body. Everything inside you is connected in ways we often forget. What you eat, what you drink, even how you breathe, it all works together as one system. Blood circulation is one of those silent processes we rarely notice until something feels off. And while we usually focus on the heart or brain, our legs and feet depend just as much on healthy blood flow. Cold feet, numbness, heaviness, or fatigue can all be gentle signs that circulation needs support. The good news is this: help may already be sitting in your kitchen. Simple, everyday foods can encourage smoother blood flow and healthier vessels. Today, we'll slowly walk through 12 nourishing foods that may help improve circulation to your legs and feet. So settle in, relax, and let's begin. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, tuna, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help calm inflammation inside blood vessels and support smoother circulation. They may also reduce blood pressure and help prevent unwanted clot formation. Eating fatty fish regularly supports not only circulation, but also heart health, brain function, and immunity. Grilling or baking is best to preserve their natural benefits. 2. Garlic. Garlic has been valued for centuries for its healing properties. When crushed or chopped, it releases compounds that help blood vessels relax and widen. This allows blood to move more freely, especially to the legs and feet. Garlic also supports healthy cholesterol levels and overall cardiovascular balance. Adding fresh garlic near the end of cooking helps retain its benefits. 3. Walnuts. Walnuts contain plant-based omega-3 fats that support vessel flexibility and reduce inflammation. They also provide compounds that help the body produce nitric oxide, which assists blood vessel expansion. A small daily handful can gently support circulation, while also benefiting digestion and overall nutrition. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its calming effect on inflammation. Healthy blood vessels rely on low inflammation to allow steady blood flow. For better absorption, turmeric works best when paired with black pepper. It can be added to soups, teas, or warm meals. 5. Berries. Colorful berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in natural antioxidants. These compounds help blood vessels relax and encourage healthy circulation. They also support immune health and digestion, making them an easy daily addition. 6. Oranges. Oranges provide vitamin C, which helps keep blood vessel walls strong and flexible. They also contain plant compounds that support vessel function and reduce inflammation. Enjoy them whole, in salads, or freshly juiced. 7. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with high cocoa content contains flavonols that encourage nitric oxide production. This helps blood vessels widen and improve circulation. A small portion is enough to enjoy both the flavor and the benefits. 8. Spinach. Spinach naturally contains nitrates that the body converts into nitric oxide. This supports relaxed blood vessels and smoother blood flow. Spinach also provides essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. 9. Ginger. Ginger has warming properties that help stimulate circulation. Its natural compounds reduce inflammation and support smooth blood movement. Fresh ginger tea or small amounts added to meals work well. 10. Celery. Celery supports circulation by helping blood vessels relax naturally. It also contributes fiber and antioxidants that support overall health. It's easy to enjoy raw, cooked, or blended. 11. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants that protect blood vessel lining. They support healthy blood pressure and improved circulation. Seeds or juice can be added to meals or enjoyed on their own. 12. Beets. Beets are known for their nitrate content, which supports blood vessel relaxation. They may help improve blood flow and support healthy blood pressure. Steaming or roasting helps preserve their benefits. And there we have it. 12 simple, nourishing foods that gently support better blood flow to your legs and feet. Remember, no single food works alone. True wellness comes from small, steady choices, balanced meals, regular movement, and mindful self-care. If you found this helpful, take a moment to like and share it with someone who may benefit. Feel free to leave a comment and share how you enjoy these foods in your daily routine. Thank you for spending this time with us. Take care of your body, move gently, eat well, and we'll see you again soon.